Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Ryan here, back with another video, and in today's episode I'm going to be taking you guys along for a weekend of automotive photography. On Saturday, I'm going to be attending a private car meet hosted by Exclusive Riders Network. Their Instagram will be linked down below. The following day, we're going to be going on a photo shoot with my buddy Darren and his 3M custom wrap Nissan GTR. If you enjoy my content, be sure to hit that like button and the big red subscribe button down below to keep updated with all my new videos. Hope you guys enjoy. Peace out.
With ERN and Robbie. But at the end of the day, it's you guys as well, because you guys are putting the time, the effort, you're RSVPing, you're making the initiative to come out. And if it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't have these turnouts. So I want to thank you guys for that, and I really do mean that.
We want to thank you.
All right, thank you.
Hey, what's up guys? It's the next day now. We're just getting ready to go for the shoot of Darren's GTR. Cody just pulled up here. Hey, what's up, Cody?
Rick Bay, how are ya?
Appreciate you driving me for the shoot.
No problem.
We're gonna meet him and then get the shoot going. I have a few locations in mind. Other than that, we're just gonna start shooting, see how it goes. Also, just wanted to update you guys on like the car that I'm shooting. So this guy owns his own like graphic design company. So he does like designing helmet paint jobs, paints the helmets himself, also designs wraps. So he designed the wrap on his car and he wrapped it himself. It's a 3M reflective wrap, so with flash or any kind of light, it glows. I'm hoping to get a few creative shots with flash, maybe some flash rollers where it lights up the wrap. The wrap's already very high detailed to begin with, but when you get some light on it, it's like full dragon scales all over the side. Like it literally looks like Godzilla. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. All right, so we just pulled up to Darren's place. He's got his GTR out and he's gonna be out here in a sec. I'll just show you guys some quick little footage of what this wrap looks like and what this GTR is. This thing's fucking crazy. This wrap is super clean. We're starting to get rained on a little bit, so we might have to work around that. Not exactly sure how we're gonna deal with the rain, but
Started.
yeah. Hey man, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you. All right, what's up guys? We got a little bit ahead of ourselves after you guys last saw us when we were in the driveway. We got most of our rollers out of the way, and I also threw my flash on and got some flash rollers as we were going over the Skyway. I'll show you guys those shots now. I just looked at them on camera, but I think they're gonna turn out amazing. They look good from what I could tell. Yeah, so right now we're gonna stop under the Skyway Bridge for some stills. Gonna take some stills for them, maybe a little bit of video, some B-roll edit. But yeah, we're probably gonna be in this spot for the next little bit. All right, yeah, catch you guys with some B-roll.
This is our last chance to leave it all behind. Raise your voice, raise your power.
Hey guys, we just got all finished up with the shoot. I'm not sure how well you can see me right now, but I was really happy with all the photos I took just looking at them on camera. I can't wait to get them over to my computer and start editing them, see what they really look like. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like it and subscribe if you want to see more of this type of stuff. But other than that, peace out.